So this is the beautiful country park slap bang in the middle of an urban jungle. There's so much dubious history about this place, so much amazing history as well, so much hidden beneath all this. And take this giant stone for example, which is clearly part of another set that had a big hole bored into it because it was part of a gate system. That went here because the other matching stone is here. There. And the trees blocking an inlet outlet. Absolutely amazing. The buildings that used to be on here are amazing and gone, destroyed. I'll show you.